Healthy, happy holidays, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to dig into how to manage holiday heartburn. Stay tuned for this healing and impactful video. Hi everybody, welcome and happy holidays. I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I'm a naturopathic physician, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my healthy Vlogmas. I hope you will subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified for every video that's coming out here in our healthy Vlogmas series. In today's video, I'm addressing a question that one of our subscriber members, Lois. Hi Lois. Thank you so much for asking about how to survive holiday heartburn. What I want to do is I want to give you 6 very impactful resources that you guys, I know, have at home and in your cabinets and in your refrigerators. These are super easy to utilize and will help you, especially after some of the indulgent holiday parties and events that you're attending. So tip number 1 is to grab peppermint sticks or peppermint tea. Peppermint has some great properties to help manage the acid and the acidity in the stomach, and it will help calm some of that kind of GERD-like heat that's going on in your body. Number 2 is going to be harnessing the spices of this holiday season. Clove and cinnamon are 2 really great healing spices that you can implement in your day. You can add them to yogurts, your smoothies, you can put them in that peppermint tea. But cinnamon and clove help to minimize the actual acid level. Cinnamon is considered a natural antacid, and clove is very calming and reduces the gas that you might be experiencing. Third is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, you want to get the organic apple cider vinegar with a mother. It's got kind of a cloudy type of substance at the bottom of it. This is hugely impactful for those folks out there that have low acid levels. And to be honest with you friends, it doesn't matter if you're watching this in the holiday season or any time of the year. Generally what I find is working with patients who have acid reflux, GERD, digestive grievances in their stomach, generally they have low acid levels. And around the age of 30, our stomach acid levels decrease. So by adding apple cider vinegar at the end of your meal, let's say you eat a really dense, rich, protein-oriented, animal protein-oriented meal, then you could add 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, add that with a little water, take that down the hatch, and that will actually help enhance the acid levels to speed up the process of your digestion, thereby limiting GERD. 5 is my favorite. I love to recommend that folks grab some baking soda. Everybody has baking soda, especially in the holiday season. If you are baking any type of cookies in your kitchen, you could easily grab 1 to 2.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix that up in a little cold water. You can drink this throughout the day, especially if you are dealing with GERD or acid reflux when you lay down to sleep. You could take a dose of that baking soda water mix right before bed. 6th on my list is something you hear me recommend a lot for all of you regular viewers: ginger and turmeric. I love to combine those 2 in a tea form. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory, and it will actually help to reduce some of the lining, the stomach lining inflammation that might be the root of some of your GERD. Similarly, ginger is great for folks that have ulcers because it's an antimicrobial. It will actually help heal the ulcer and minimize the irritation and even some of the bleeding. Turmeric is just as powerful as ginger, and why I love to recommend those 2 in combination. You get the anti-inflammatory properties from the ginger, but you also get the bile enhancement. So we actually see a better ability via turmeric for your body to digest the stomach contents better. So that will speed up the digestive process, moving contents out of the stomach, thereby not causing you GERD and all the other grievances that come with holiday heartburn, indigestion, all that type of experiences that you feel in the stomach. 6th and final on my list is to actually incorporate pineapple, fresh pineapple juice in your diet, especially after a protein-dense meal. Pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice. This is the key thing. You don't want to get it from a can. You want to squeeze fresh pineapple or eat several slices of pineapples, the enzymatic response of eating or drinking fresh pineapple juice will actually help enhance your body and your stomach's breakdown of the really thickly dense protein bonds of your protein meal. And that, friends, will be very significant in helping you not only move those contents through the stomach, but also digest them better, thereby relieving some of the IBS that most of the time. If you have any questions for me about these 6 tips, please ask it down below. And my question of the day for you, friends, is which of these have you never tried that you might actually try this holiday season? Comment below. I'll be choosing one winner who comments within an hour of this video release. You'll receive a Natural Health Resources ornament for your Christmas trees. Thanks everybody. I'll see you on tomorrow's Healthy Holiday Vlogmas video.